Today we're going to show you how to do a pre-trip inspection of your snow removal equipment. Your plow may be rigged differently, but the basics are all the same. This pre-trip is an addition to the standard operator's inspection report detailed in the M47. This inspection must be performed at the beginning of your shift every time you take a plow out. At the end of the shift, it's covered in ice and snow. You can't always, do a post-trip inspection on it because it is covered in ice and snow. So a lot of times, after it sits in the shop overnight or after the storm, then it melts off and you're able to see stuff better. I just want to check the general condition of the plow and sander and wing plow. What I usually do is start in one spot and work my way around. Start right here with the hydraulic connection, make sure that it is connected and locked together. No wear marks on the hoses to where they're going to be rubbing or have worn anywhere, so where you won't have any leaks. Check the connections itself, make sure that everything's tight, secure. And you got your safety pin locking device that actually holds the plow onto the truck. Make sure it's locked and pins are out, holding it on. All the hydraulic cylinders, make sure that there's no damage to them. All the pin bosses are in place, not broke or missing. Check the condition of the cylinder face itself. Make sure there's no nicks to where something may got it, take out a seal, or where you start losing hydraulic oil. And throughout the whole thing, checking for cracks in the iron and any welds. On the parallel plow system, when in operation, when the plow's attached to the truck, the foot of the stand is supposed to be pointing towards the plow so that it's out of the way when you have the plow up and turn it. It's not going to be hitting the hitch assembly. You want to check your cutting edges, and make sure that you got plenty of blade left to get you through the shift or storm. And throughout the whole time, just checking for cracks and any damage, and check the snow flap. Helps keep debris from coming up on the windshield. Make sure it's not ripped or torn. On the wing plow, you want to check your hydraulic lines. Make sure there's no loose connections. Make sure the hoses haven't been wearing on anything to where you have a failure during your shift. Check the cylinder, no damages in there. You got your breakaway bolt here, your shear bolt, or if you were to hit something, this pin just breaks right here. And make sure that that pin's in place. All the pins and pin bosses and everything's in working order. And your lift chain, make sure the mounting brackets are all tight, no cracks in the frame on the wing plow. Check the hydraulic hoses, the handrail and the ladder. Make sure everything's secure, no damage to it from possibly the previous shift. Or checking the liquid application hoses, make sure that they're all tight, not wearing on anything. All the valves are in the proper position for your application if you're going to use them or not. I'm going to check the gate height, make sure that it's set to the right height as what the force system is already set to. Check all the lights, check and make sure that there's no cracks in the lenses itself. Make sure all the lights are working, they're not blocked by snow or ice, they're clean. You want to check the straps, make sure there's no cuts or tears, that they are actually tight, and all the securing mounts are not broke or cracked. Plows take a lot of abuse in day-to-day work. The condition of your equipment needs to be checked out before and after every shift. If you do find something that needs to be repaired or further inspected, make sure you fill out your SO5 form and submit it. Well-maintained equipment is key to safety, and safety is important to all of us at WYDOT. Do your part to ensure your safety and the safety of the traveling public.